Fireship, a programming platform that allegedly makes you learn to code faster through project-based learning and addicting fast-paced videos, as if your Snapgram and InstaChat weren't already consuming your brain enough. What's funny is that the website fireship.io says the hard truth is you can't learn to code by watching videos. It then immediately follows it up by a contradictory statement telling you to watch videos. Fireship may successfully help you escape what he calls tutorial hell, but captures you in the endless cycle of watching videos on his complimentary YouTube channel. Most of the videos on his channel are about web development, but he's best known for his programming languages in 100 Seconds series. These are videos about programming languages that are not 100 seconds long. They actually end up being pretty useless for beginners though, because you need to know the programming language to understand what he's saying. As if Fireship.io wasn't already bad enough, it also has inbuilt pay-to-win features that nobody actually buys. And as if that wasn't useless enough, you can also upgrade your entire team in case you're feeling extra special. The name Fireship itself just sounds like it's trying to copy Firebase. I have no idea what Firebase actually is, and maybe those Fireship videos are gonna come in handy right now. Since Fireship, just like me, is a programmer and has very little lore, his entire life is spent in a chair looking at a bunch of small lights, so there isn't much I have to say about him. That's why I can make this video 100 actual seconds long, and it's not because I'm too lazy to think of more things to say. This has been Fireship for the haters in 100 actual seconds. Of course, everything I said in this video is just my opinion, and other than mine, everyone's opinion is subjective. All in all, Fireship has got to be one of my favorite programming content creators, because watching his videos makes me feel like I'm being productive when I'm really not. Thanks for watching, and I probably won't see you till next year.